India's automobile market is set to witness a thrilling year in 2025 with several new car launches across various segments, including electric vehicles, EVs, SUVs, and performance cars. If you're a car enthusiast or planning to buy a new car in 2025, this article will give you a detailed insight into the upcoming models. Top 2025 car launches in India. 1. Hyundai Creta EV, Hyundai's first mass-market electric SUV. Launch date, expected early 2025. Battery range, 45 kWh battery, 400 km range. Expected price, a superscript 1 2025 lakh. Features, advanced ADAS, fast charging, and futuristic interiors. 2. Maruti Suzuki EV Vitara, a Maruti's first electric SUV. Launch date, mid-2025. Battery range, 60 kWh battery, 550 km range. Expected price, a superscript 1 2227 lakh. Features, Suzuki Toyota hybrid tech, futuristic design, and spacious interiors. 3. Tata Harrier EV, Tata's premium electric SUV. Launch date, early 2025. Battery range, 60 kWh battery, 500 km range. Expected price, a superscript 1 2530 lakh. Features, dual motor AWD, panoramic sunroof, and connected car technology. 4. Mahindra XUV.e8, Mahindra's flagship electric SUV. Launch date, late 2025. Battery range, 80 kWh battery, 450 to 500 km range. Expected price, a superscript 13540 lakh. Features, in-glow platform, fast charging, and premium interiors. 5. Toyota Innova HyCross Flex-Fuel, a greener hybrid alternative. Launch date, early 2025. Engine, petrol-ethanol hybrid. Expected price, a superscript 1 2530 lakh. Features, low emissions, spacious cabin, and hybrid fuel efficiency. 6. Kia Seltos EV, Kia's affordable electric SUV. Launch date, mid-2025. Battery range, 50 kWh battery, 450 km range. Expected price, a superscript 1823 lakh. Features, sporty design, ADAS Level 2, and wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. 7. Tata Curvv, ICE EV, a stylish coupe SUV. Launch date, ICE version in early 2025, EV version in late 2025. Battery range, 400 to 500 km, EV, 1.5 liters turbo petrol diesel, ICE. Expected price, a superscript 11522 lakh. Features, coupe-like design, premium cabin, and high-tech features. Final thoughts. 2025 is shaping up to be a landmark year for the Indian car market, with major manufacturers focusing on electric mobility and sustainable solutions. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly EV, a premium SUV, or a hybrid option, there's something exciting for everyone.